how to use your chat in TikTok PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use TikTok chats or direct messages right from your PC. So here, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser and head over to www.tiktok.com. And here, make sure that you're logged in to your TikTok account. And here, once you are logged in, you'll see the TikTok homepage similar to the app references. And now here, once you're inside the TikTok, just look at the right hand side, and there you can see the option labeled as messages. So simply click on it and it will take you to the official TikTok DM page where you can see your conversation. So here you will see a list of your friends and message requests on the left side, and just click on any chats to open the conversation window on the right, and from here you can send and receive messages just like you would on mobile right from PC. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.